I just got myself a 7-quart crock pot. It can hold enough food to feed up to 9 people. It is the Crock Pot brand. It does have the manual setting on it. And this thing is boxed very well. So we've got our glass lid. We've got the insert here. And then we have this part of the pan. So on here, you have the off, low, high, and it actually has a warm setting. So that's really nice to have on here. So it doesn't keep cooking your food. It'll just keep it warm till you're ready to eat it. Now this part is dishwasher safe. So if you wanted to put it in the dishwasher, you can, or you can hand wash it as well. It's oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So you put all this all together. It has these nice pads at the bottom so they won't scratch the surface of your counter. And you put the lid on.